Hi, my name's Carolyn, and I recently completed Rachel's workshop for cycling instructors. And I have to say, as a relatively new, I'd say in the last couple of years, group fitness instructor, started a bit later in life with these things, I was thrilled not only to find that this workshop existed, but that it provided the tools, the skills, the training, the steps, the support that I needed to get started successfully and feel successful in my classes. I have taken a lot of courses, I'm sure we all have, and there's always that unknowingness going in, watching testimonial videos like this or seeing what other people have written. There's still that unknowing about what you're gonna get. I have to tell you, first of all, I was impressed with the fee itself, but more so than that, once I got into it, it was the return on investment. There is a real person behind this course supporting you, teaching you with years of experience, not to mention the value-based content provided throughout the modules, as well as tips, ideas, tracks, and drills that you can put into play today inside your class. And I think that's the thing that I love the most about it. It was so applicable and allowed me to find confidence and success so quickly in everything. I can't say enough about it. And I would say that the proof is in the pudding. After my classes, I often have my students coming up and telling me how much they like the music, how much they like the classes. They don't want me to change a thing. And that is a true testament to this course and the confidence and everything that it's provided for me in order to provide the best possible class for my students. So if you're hesitating, I say run, don't walk, sign up for the course now, don't hesitate. You will not regret it.